What's going on, everyone? I hope you are all having an incredible day, and I want to talk to you. I'm going to show you a real-world example of why most traders don't make it. And it is one thing. You're trading against yourself because you're trading against your emotions. I'm going to dive right in. I'm going to show you this KNC Bitcoin chart on Binance. I'm going to break the chart down, where we're at with it. I'm down right now, and I want to be able to make that aware to you because this is the reality of trading. So, if I post this chart like a month from now where it shows, all the profits that I made, that's going to be cool, and I'm going to do that. But I want to show you right now, before we actually get to that, where we're at, how much we're down, and how a lot of times traders get themselves in situations like this. They don't know how to get out of it, and they end up losing a large part of their account. So let's dive right in. Right now, we are down 8.49% on this chart. Now, what happened? Well, everything was great. We were buying and selling. We were able to buy low, sell high. Buy the dips, sell the returns, and then the chart it turns, it goes down. And what happened was that Bitcoin did something that's unexpected, right? Go figure. It does that all the time. But what happened was Bitcoin spiked. It spiked past 10K, and a lot of people did not expect this. I'll tell you. I tell you what people thought was going to happen, because I saw it in all the chat forums and stuff like that, and it's Twitter. People were shorting it. They were expecting it to go down into the 7s, 8s, and 7K. Didn't do that. Spiked to 10. So all the trading pairs that are trading against BTC took a nice deep dive. Where are things going to go after this? Well, we don't know. We don't predict. But how I trade is that if support gets cracked, then that's basically when I buy, because the amount of buyers in this market, especially, this is a pretty big coin, pretty nice volume on it. We're gonna see a pretty decent bounce from this, and like I said, we're gonna be able to hold our profits in KNC token, Kyber network token, and I think that this token has a lot of participants in the market. There's a lot of buyers. And right now there's a lot of sellers, but I'm excited to see where this chart's going to go. So the reason that I think that this gets traders in trouble is because they see, oh my gosh, my account's down, 8%. Oh no, I've been down 20% before, and I've seen 100% bounces with 100% returns. So that's just the crypto game. That happens. Unexpected things happen, and you have to take those opportunities and realize, like, for a chart like this to crash like this, coins are on sale. This is on sale right now. This is a deal. This is a deal. Like I hope it goes lower so I can get more, because this is incredible. When people were buying up here, and yes, someone did buy the top. Someone bought this right there, believe it or not. They thought it was just going to keep going up and keep going up. So when it crashes, this scares a lot of people. It's time to buy. It's not time to be fearful, right? Like Warren Buffett said, when others are greedy, be fearful. So when the chart's going up and people are being greedy, time to be fearful. This thing's going to come back down. But when others are fearful, like now, and people are fearful, you can see this, they're just grinding through, people selling on, take my shares, take my shares. I just want out of this position. I just want out. I'm taking the shares. I'm eating up the shares. I'm buying up the shares. I don't mind being down 8%. That's fine, because I know that I can come back from this. I know how to trade myself out and turn this situation into profit. That's what traders do. And so anyway, I hope this helps, and I hope this shows a little bit of mindset behind how I trade. Tales old as time. Buy low, sell high. I think that people try to overcomplicate things, but at the end of the day, price action and volume are your best indicators. Price action and volume. Understanding the psychology behind people. People sell when they are afraid. You can read that in the market by looking at the chart, reading what the chart's going to do. This is green is greed, red is fear. You want to buy the fear, and you want to sell into the green, sell into the greed. People are willing to pay a lot more when they're greedy, and they're willing to take a lot less when they're fearful. Keep that in mind. You see that coming through the order book over here, and you see that in the amount of volume that's flooding in the sellers. Anyway, I hope this helps. Smash the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell if you like this kind of content about trading. Until next time, I will be talking to you all later.